Tire pressure monitor system. This goes somewhere behind the deck. It's a receiver. There is a programming button. This goes inside the wheels. And there is antenna. Antenna needs to be mounted 50 centimeters between the receiver and the antenna. And the antenna is going to go behind there. This will pretty much place it in the middle of the car, and there is at least 50 centimeters in between. So for wiring the tire pressure monitoring system, you just need to connect to the auxiliary on and to ground. That's it. It comes with two more cables. One is blue, one is brown, but they are made for a different type of stereo system than in Mazda 5. So you just simply leave them disconnected. So for the installation of sensors themselves, you just need them to stick inside the tire instead of your valve. You can either take it to the tire shop, or you can do it yourself if you feel up to it. If you're doing it yourself, you need to remove the tires. Then you need to remove the valve stem to let the air out. Then you need to break the bead on the tire on both sides. Then mount it onto the tire removal thing. Add some kind of lubricant, like soapy water or tire lubricant, all around the tire. Don't be greedy with lubricant. Then apply rim protectors so you don't scratch your beautiful rims. And pop the tire off the rim. Install the protector on the inside and remove the tire completely. Cut the old valve stem off. Remove it as you no longer need it. Take a drill with a brush and brush all around inside and outside the rim to remove all this crap so the tire seals better. And blow off the dust. Take your valve stem and have a 12 mil ready. Put it inside. Put the washer on the other side and screw it in, and after tighten with a wrench. So now you have a tire pressure monitor installed inside your tire and sealed so the air shouldn't get out. Lube everything very well. And reinstall it. When you do the installation, you want to work away from the valve stem, so this way nothing gets damaged. Now that the first is on, do the second part. Make sure lubricated. Once the tire is back on the rim, inflated until it seats the bead. And now just inflate it to desired pressure. You can fill it with water and just check if you have any bubbles. If you have no bubbles, nothing, then you don't have any air leaks and you're almost ready. Do it for 3 other tires and you'll be pretty much done. I don't have a balancing machine, so I will take it to the shop to have it balanced. Now with everything installed, I found a good location right there for the receiver, so just need to plug it in. So the system comes with this little nifty button The way it is set up by default, you can put your car into reverse, and then for the first 10 seconds it will show you the tire pressure monitors. But I didn't do it this way. I set mine up to be an auxiliary, so I would need to put it into auxiliary mode, and then press the button, and it will display me the temperature and the pressure in each tire. There is option to rotate, of course, the tires and to set it into Fahrenheit or any other temperature. It displays it for 10 seconds and then goes away. Also, there is a warning coming up, like you have a blown tire. It will beep and then display the information on the screen which tire is bad. That's it. But otherwise it works really well, and I'm pretty happy.